How do we show that a tree is really far away versus one that's really close to us? Obviously, the size matters, but we also have to consider what's called atmospheric perspective. Let's break it down. It does involve far more than just painting blobs in the background. So the trees that are furthest away from us, as well as those that are in a mist, will be painted with the lightest of washes and with absolutely no detail. As soon as we increase that intensity of color, the tree will appear closer. And once we add even more color and a bit of detail on the edges of the tree, it will appear even closer than the previous one. Now this one here will involve two colors. However, they are both identical on the value scale, meaning that if I squint my eyes, I will not see a color difference. Also, if I take a photo of it and I reduce all the color, there will be no color difference at all. I'll be putting the warmer color on the area where the sun would hit it, and the cooler color, with, in this case, I put a little bit of cobalt blue in it, will be in the shadow side. But of course, the next one here is the one that will appear the closest to us, because at this point, not only do we see the edges that are quite uneven and detailed, but the interior of the tree would also have openings, and some of the branches will be exposed. Each branch is holding a cluster of leaves, which will appear round. So the bottom of it will have the shadow, and the top will be lighter. So all these little clusters will form the actual canopy, and the detail will not only be visible in the foliage, but also on the trunk and the shadow underneath the tree. So try painting different tree shapes and try varying the degree of detail, all of which will contribute to giving your painting a sense of depth.